Essay writing for English learners. Veer Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was an Indian freedom fighter and writer. He was born on 20th May 1883 in Bhagur, Maharashtra. He brought active friends together and fought against the British rule. He burned all the foreign goods and clothes in a bonfire during the Dasahra. British arrested him on the charge of plotting an armed revolt against the reform of Morley Minto. He dived in the sea water to escape the arrest. Savarkar was a regular resident of the famous India House in London. He wrote the history of the War of Indian Independence. The book helped other Indian revolutionaries. He was sentenced to 2 life sentences for his struggle to free India from British rule. He was later on released in 1924 but on strict conditions. After the restrictions, he decided to focus on the problem of untouchability. He put forward his vision of Akhanda Bharat. He went on hunger strike on 1st February 1966 and died on 26 February 1966. India will never forget him. We salute him. Writer, लेखक, बर्न्ड, जाळले, फॉरेन, विदेशी, गुड्स, वस्तू, बोनफायर, होळी, अग्नी, दशहरा, दसरा सण, अरेस्ट, पकडणे, चार्ज, दोषारोप, प्लॉटिंग, षड्यंत्र, कट, आर्म्ड, सशस्त्र, रिव्हॉल्ट, बंड, अगेन्स्ट, च्या विरुद्ध, रिफॉर्म, सुधारणा, लॅटर ऑन, नंतर, रेसिडेंट, रहिवासी, फेमस, प्रसिद्ध, हिस्ट्री, इतिहास, वॉर, युद्ध, इंडिपेंडन्स, स्वातंत्र्य, सेंटेन्स्ड, शिक्षा झाली, लाईफ सेंटेन्स, आजीवन, स्ट्रिक्ट, कठोर, कंडिशन्स, अटी, रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स, निर्बंध, बंधने, फोकस ऑन, वर लक्ष केंद्रित करणे, अनटचेबिलिटी, अस्पृश्यता, पुट फॉरवर्ड, पुढे आणणे, विजन, दृष्टिकोन, हंगर स्ट्राइक, उपोषण. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.